We have a lot of scared saints in our generation. Naalala ko yung sinabi ni David sa Psalm, "The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I be afraid?" That's a strong word. Sino ang aking kakatakutan? At kung meron mang tao na may karapatang sabihin sino ang dapat kong katakutan, si David yun. After everything that he had experienced. Sa kamay ni Goliath, hindi siya natakot. Sa kamay ni Saul na hinanting siya at gusto siyang patayin, hindi siya natakot. Sa kamay ni Absalom na kanyang anak, hindi siya natakot. Sa kamay ng mga soldiers na hinahunting siya dahil sa nangyari sa Siklag, hindi siya natakot. David is a living testimony that there is nothing in this world. Sometimes you have nowhere to hide, nowhere to run, but there's always the Lord, who is your refuge and your strength, the very present help in times of your trouble. Ngayon pa ba tayo matatakot, mga kapatid? I've seen so many mountains that God has moved. I've seen so many prayers that God answered. I had a glimpse of the miracles that God did in my life.